I'm not gonna ride for this bitch until I die for this bitch. On that hump to that money, open eyes, I can spit. If you a friend of me, friend of me, you an enemy, enemies, you perpetrate, trash, is you kidding me? Get a bottle, sip the shit, let's get this money. Is you with me when they clapping, don't be running.
I've done this thousands of times. There it is. Okay.
It's only big homie, I'm about it. 6-digit nigga, I ain't even go to college. Sucker ass niggas, they don't even get acknowledged. Everywhere I go, it's like I'm still the main topic. That's what got your girl all over my cockage. She can bust a move, I ain't for the dig hopping. She can run, she can walk, she can jog or start driving. Still smoking strong, still throwing back Watsons. 2 turned up, I done ran out of wattage. Need a Tiana Taylor or a Miley Cyrus. I can't have a